Hey guys, we are back again with another important topic, which is how to convert your private limited into LLP. In past few years, many private limited companies have shut down their business due to higher compliances. For them, due to enactment of LLP Act 2008, there is an option to convert their private limited into an LLP because in LLP compliances are lesser. So first let me explain you how to convert your private limited into LLP, and before we start the process, let me explain what are the prerequisites and conditions. So the conditions are: 1. All the members of private limited will become partners in LLP. 2. All the members' consents are required. 3. All the creditors' consent are required. And 4th, you have to submit your latest filed income tax return copy. And 5th, there should be no existing prosecution in the name of company. The process to convert a private limited into LLP are: number 1. To convene a board meeting. The board members need to conduct a board meeting to pass the resolution for the purposes like to convert a private limited into LLP and the resolution to authorize one of the director to complete the process. Number 2. To apply the name of the LLP. So once the board resolution is passed, the company is authorized to make a name application for this new LLP, and for that you have to search the name and you need to make the application with the MCA. Number 3. Once the name of LLP is approved, you have to file a form called Form Phillip, which is for the application for the LLP registration. You have to submit few documents like ID and address proof of all the members, and consent to act as designated partner in the LLP, and address proof of the registered office address, and you have to submit subscriber sheet of all the members. Number 4. We need to file a form called Form 18, which is a linked form with Form Phillip, and we need to submit few documents along with this form such as consent of all the members, and you have to provide list of all the creditors along with their consent for this conversion, and latest filed income tax return and latest audited balance sheet and P&L certified by a auditor. Number 5. Once we submit all the documents in Form 18 and Form Phillip, we will get approval from the ministry. And if once we get the approval later from the ministry regarding the conversion and we get a new certificate of registration, we need to submit the certificate in Form 14 with the ROC for the intimation regarding this conversion within 15 days of such conversion. And number 6. This is the final step. Once your LLP is approved, you have to prepare a LLP agreement and submit with the ROC within 30 days of the approval. We need to prepare this LLP agreement and get it printed on the stamp paper and get it notarized and submit with the ROC. There are certain implications which are connected with this conversion from private limited to LLP, such as: number 1. The private limited company will be dissolved. Number 2. The name of private limited company will be removed from the registrar of companies. Number 3. There will be no change in existing liabilities of the company or contract or agreements. And number 4. The company should intimate to the concerned authority about this conversion. Now let's talk about the advantages of converting a private limited into LLP. So number 1. You can have the flexibility of a partnership firm, and the partner's liabilities are limited. Number 2. You can transfer all the assets and liability of the private limited company into LLP, and there will be no transfer instrument, hence there will be no stamp duty needs to pay. And number 3, unlike a private limited company, there is no upper limit on the members. And number 4, in case of LLP, you don't need to conduct minimum number of meetings or need to maintain statutory registers. That's all from my side regarding conversion from private limited to LLP. If you still have any doubt regarding both the structure, we have detailed comparison videos on our YouTube channel. You can go and check them out. This is Khushbu signing off for the day. Goodbye. Take care.